I've heard that the rules that govern this world are all essentially curses. So to live by the rules means to suffer under the sum of all curses.
Are you talking about the snowstorms? Or Project Stuja? Or the Tsaritsa?
Let's go. Before Lilac makes a move. If it's true that rules are curses, well then, there's only two options. Either we overthrow the rules, or... Were you going to say follow them? Get used to them? It's neither. We find a way to transcend the rules.
Regarding the motion to extend Project Stuja, if there are no further objections.
I have an objection!
Huh?
Me too!
I object!
Oh my.
Search the area! We are the Drushna, and it is our honor to serve the Tsaritsa.
Forgive the intrusion. Mind if I join this private discussion?
Compared to the eons gone by, this is a peaceful age.
Wait, the Krasnik's torch?
And then, the heavenly principles spoiled our love.
Mother?
I almost doubt whether it was ever true at all. One should not throw fragile driftwood to a drowning person, nor give the illusion of warmth to those freezing to death. Death is not the enemy of love. The real enemy is the blessings given by deluded gods.
Good move. Still, I do hope you truly understand the nature of the game you're playing.